Yo, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Power Plays Palace. We are back again. It is time for Power Plays Palace. We are back again. So let's get this thing started. All right, so let's look at the chart from yesterday. All right, so on yesterday, we were looking for a breakout long above 740.89 with the entry at 741, 741.70. With our stop below 739.50. With our targets being 743.20, 745.80, and 748.50. On the other side, we were looking for a rejection short near 740.50 to 740.89 with our entry at 740.50 to 741.20. We put our stop loss above 742.80. Targets being 739.20, 738.84, and 737. So that was the projections for yesterday. So let's look at the chart and see what actually went on. Okay, so look at that chart, man. So the spot opened up at 738.46. Worked its way down here to 735.48. This is a $3 drop. But from there, it went from 735 all the way up to 743, which is an $8 move. As you can see, once it crossed over this VWAP at 737, what it was 737.34 here, it just kept going up all day until it topped off at 743.88. It pulled back to 742, and it closed the day here in the 742 range, 742.31 actually. So as you can see, it was a move down, which is not a big bad move from 738 down to 735.48. But after that, man, it was everything was up. You see these high lows. I mean these low high highs and high lows, and the thing going up and pushing. So if you played the chart yesterday, that was a strong chart. Cause like I said, it opened up at 738 in that area, but it dropped $3 from there. But once it reversed course, it really reversed course, and then it came back up and it touched those levels all the way back up. But if you were playing the chart, you could have got in at the 741 area, 741.70 when it reclaimed that 740.89, and you still would have got the $3 move up from there. But if you were watching the chart the whole day and saw those high lows and those high highs being developed, man, that would have been a good chance to get in. But overall, I think it was a pretty good chart yesterday. So let's look at the chart for today. All right, so the pre-market high right now is at 745.10, and the pre-market low is 743.12. So we'll be looking at a breakout long above 745.10 with an entry at 745.20 to 746, with our stop below 743.60. Our target to be 747.50, 750.20, and 753. Now, if you get a rejection on the short side, near the 737, 737.91, we'll be looking at an entry around 737.50 to 738.20 in that range. With our stop above 740, the targets for those will be 735.80, 734.09, and 732.20. And that'll be our chart for today. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna get out here and we're gonna trade these things. Now these big moves, they do happen. They don't happen all the time, but when they happen, you want to try to take advantage of them. I missed a couple of them yesterday because I had a meeting yesterday morning at 10 o'clock, and I wasn't going to chase it. I could have, as you clearly saw, But it was a very good day for the people who were able to follow the chart the whole day. I didn't want to enter a trade then leave because I didn't know exactly how long I was going to be in that meeting. And I ended up being in the meeting for a couple of hours. So now that's been a dangerous way to do it, especially checking my phone during the meeting. But overall, man, it was a pretty good day for the SPY. And I'm hoping today that we have another one of those days where we have a clearer set where it's going, and then we can actually follow that thing. But right now, let's look at the chart so far in the pre-market. As you can see, it continues to go up. It actually already broke my pre-market. It broke my pre-market high, man. That's one of the things about doing these videos early and look at it. Well, it broke my pre-market high already. It's already moving up like the Jeffersons. And because it's not, the pre-market is not over. You still have a hour, over hour and 8 minutes for the pre-market to be over. Because of that, it could still keep going up. It could actually hit tap out on some of my other chart levels before it gets there. Because if you're looking at my chart, um, I say if it's a breakout long, if it break out above the 745.10 range, you're looking for an entry at 745.20 to 746. So now that's a pretty nice range. So we still in that range right now. That'll be the buy range. But what if it keeps pushing up, even before that? Because right now my current pre-market high is 745.39. And it's still going up. You see me move that up? We got, what do we got? 745.42. Okay. So as you can see, it's still on that, it's still in a strong uptrend, man. But we're gonna test it and we're gonna see what it's gonna do for the day. It's my 15-minute chart. Oh yeah, look at those candles. Mm-mm-mm. Big wick right here yesterday. Over here, huge rejection. Big reject. There you go. All right, so that's our spot trade plan for today. We see some movement early, but we're gonna see what happens. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna play this thing out, see what happens, stay disciplined, follow your levels, and if you're not comfortable trading the level, then do not trade it. Like don't waste your trade if you're not sure. Stay out of it. But if you do feel like it's a good opportunity, get in, trade, set your stop loss, and keep it moving. Set your stop loss. That's how you reserve yourself. That's how you reserve your capital, man. Just set your stop loss. Take the small loss over the big loss. You can shoot for the stars and land on the moon, but if you're shooting for the stars and that thing start dropping below the surface, then it's time to get up out of there. But that's what we're gonna do. And I want you all to enjoy yourself today. This your boy, Power Plays Paris. If you want to trade with us, come over to Power Plays Discord. But as of right now, we trading here and we out of here, man. Let's do it, man. Y'all do y'all thing, man.
Whatever. Just figuring I'm recording it then.